Hello everybody, welcome back to another video here at Rule 1 Model Railways. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more. So welcome back here again to Rule 1 Model Railways. So I just want to give a quick thank you to all of our new subscribers. The channel has just took off in the past couple of weeks. We've had at least 100 views a day on the channel, so thank you very much, and it's much appreciated. Thank you for joining us. So the reason for this video is an update on Western Interchange mainly, and it's really to let you know that it's complete. I don't really have anything more that I want to do to it. So, plans going forwards. Well, we've been invited to the Wexford Model Railway Show in April on the 17th and 18th. That's a Sunday and Monday. If anyone wants to come visit there, Western Interchange will be there running, along with another host of all good layouts there. They always have a really good show, and they even have, a lot of the time they have visitors from other clubs, and some even from the UK come over, so that's very interesting. The final thing I did to Western Interchange was weather the track and a bit of the platform, as you can see. The track now isn't so bright, it's all been airbrushed. You can see there I've darkened the track where the train stops under each carriage, just to simulate what it would look like in real life. And the same but darker inside the maintenance depot. So after the show at Wexford, I am gonna put Western Interchange back on my storage rack, and we're going to focus on a different layout, whether that be back to Sarum Town, I'm not sure if that does need completing, or whether we're going to start a brand new one. But recently funds have been a little bit tight because of the rising costs associated with living, and then the rising costs of model railways, so that might take some time. I do have, however, planned a 00 circuit layout, so a tail chaser layout, just to give these trains a real good stretch. So hopefully we'll get onto that at some point. For my next video that you're going to see, Revolution trains have released their 321. They're currently shipping them now, so it shouldn't be too long till we have that. That was ordered about a year ago now, a year and a half maybe since I ordered that one. So with a lot of anticipation, I'm really looking forward to that, and we'll give that a thorough overview when we do get Sarum Town out, and I'll give it a good running round on that and show you all the bits that we like about that 321. Other than that, that's about it really recently here at Rule 1 Model Railways. I would like, if you could please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed and you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. And if you can see anything actually on Western Interchange that might go down before I do put it away or take it to the show, let me know, and we'll see if we can do it on Western Interchange. But that's about it really. But thanks for joining us today, and I'm going to leave you with some running clips. Thank you, take care, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.